Okay, so we're going to show you how to use the calculator to solve for the three equations with three unknowns using the system solve here. Okay, so to get that, we're just going to hit second and right above tangent, hit system solve. This is a three equations, three unknowns, so we're going to choose option 2 there. And then that's where we have to be careful about when we set up the problem. That's why we have to have AB in the same position in each equation, AC in the same position, AD. Because we're going to assume that this column here represents force AB. This column here is AC, and this is AD. Essentially, that's my X, Y, and Z. So now I'm going to put in all those numbers that were before that. So in this case, it's going to be, again, we're using the minus key here, 2 divided by 6.5, and then hit enter and move over. And we're going to go with putting the rest in here. Okay, once that we have all the numbers put in, you can go back and you can change these after you solve and re-put them in. The best thing I always like to do is just make sure you got the minuses correct. Would be the biggest thing, and just kind of scroll through that, make sure you've got all that. Looks good here. So I got my negatives there, and again, I have my 400 on there, and then just scroll over and hit solve. And it's going to report the answers for X, which in this case is force AB, Y is force FAC, and force AD is Z. And you'll notice it's negative, and that's because I assumed it in tension. And if I want to find it in decimal format, all I have to do is hit this button here, and it'll give me all my answers in decimal format.